pizza party. Secret pizza party. Poor raccoon. All he wants in his life is some pizza. If only he knew how to ask politely. Ah, pizza. So beautiful. You can hang it on the wall in a museum. So current, you can eat it in the bathtub. Of course, the best part about pizza is the gooey, cheesy nuts, salty pepperoni nuts, sweet tomato nuts, and crispy crust. Sorry, raccoon. I didn't mean to rub in. Hey, cheer up. I just got a great idea. Let's throw a pizza party at your house tonight. Shh! Don't tell anyone. This will be a secret pizza party. I know what you're thinking. Why we thought a delicious secret pizza, delicious party, a secret? Okay, sure. Folks don't show up to bonk you with brooms. But that's not the reason. And when you make something secret, make it special. Regular handshake, boring. Secret handshake, booyah! Regular staircase, tiring. Secret staircase, terrific. Regular pizza party. Get that raccoon off that table. Secret pizza party. Get that raccoon another slice of pizza. He's the guest of honor. Hot diggy dog. A pizza party is going to be so much fun. Go to Pizza Man and tell him to bring over his absolutely finest pizza pie. Hang on a minute. You don't want the delivery guy to know where you live. He might recognize you from the poster and chase you off with the broom. Think, raccoon, think. Okay. Now, play it cool. You are just an honest pizza buying business who left his wallet in the car. The pizza man thinks you'll be right back. Let's go. I've planned a perfect getaway route. Around the broom factory, over the broom exhausted club, past the raccoon sniffing broom butts. Wait a second. Raccoon sniffing broom butts. Uh-oh. Run, raccoon, run like the wind. Phew, we made it. Let's barricade the doors and pop open that pizza box. Secret pizza party! Oops, I said that kind of loud. Sorry, pizza smells gives me the happy screams. Try not to crunch too loud. Definitely no high fives. All music, all dancing. In fact, we better turn off the lights and whisper. Just be safe. Secret pizza party. What's the matter? Sweet. Sassy Moo says, look at that. Look at all that pizza. Clearly, those people are much better at throwing parties than they are at keeping secret. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Okay, you're in. Just play it cool. No one speaks a thing. Uh-oh.